welcome back to another episode of the Recipe Rookie. Yes, it's Friday, and that means another episode. Sometimes life throws you a curveball. Okay, whoa, hey, yeah, whoa, almost dropped you. That would have been another. So, everything is fine. Bowser had a little issue. It's called Cherry Eye, and we got to fix. Look, he's looking much better. So, unfortunately, you're not going to get a new episode today of me cooking, but you're going to get the best of all the outtakes from all the videos that have been posted. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the Recipe Rookie outtakes or me fighting with Google. Enjoy, and I'll see you next week. Hey, out of my frame. Let's cook.
Google didn't even turn on.
What? Say it. Does it not hear your voice? Say it again.
Hey Google, set a time of 15 minutes.
What is it, only trained to my voice now? Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes.
I hear it in the other room.
What is wrong with you? Hold on, come over here. Hey Google, do I have a timer going on? Another device? No, I want you to talk here. Hey Google, I want you to talk here. Hey Google, I want the timer at this one. No, I want the timer on this device. Why is it talking over there? What? All right, I'm done. You're done. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes now.
14 minutes, starting now.
Show me the timer.
There's 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
Thanks.
Just doing my job.
What? I didn't ask for any talk back. Hey Google, show me the timer.
T-minus 1 minute and 24 seconds.
Thank you. Now leave it on that screen.
All right. Resetting for 3 minutes and 30.
No, I did not say that. Hey Google, stop timer.
According to Wikipedia,
No,
John Felix Anthony Cena is
I'm not asking about John Cena. Hey Google, stop. I've had it up to here with you. Now we're going to put it in the oven, which is at 350 for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And we're starting now.
I only wanted one timer.
Got it. 7 hours, 22 minutes and 27 seconds.
What the?
10-minute timer.
I'm done. Flip out. All right, I have to be calm. Stop. Go back to the timers.
No problem. They're both canceled.
No! I hate you so much. All right. Am I doing anything wrong with the cutting?
Yeah.
What?
Your hands are too close. Wrap your whole hand. You don't need your finger extended down.
It doesn't seem to be working. This knife sucks. All right, look at that. A bold freight. Oh, no, not on my laptop. Oh, God, don't erase everything. Shut up. Bold, citrusly flank steak that we get. Whoa. It's a side? Please, Bowser, stop. Whoa! Oh, I almost dropped it.
And they say you don't have to pre-wash your dishes.
Hey, now we mix this all up. Oh, you can see through. Look at that. You can see through the bowl. Interesting sounds here. Oh, pop it. Oh. All right. Google, I'm not going to use you today.
I'm sorry you think that. I can do a lot.
Hey, Google, how do you feel that I might have to switch to using Alexa?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, you never understand.
Thank you for being so patient. If you have time, could you repeat it?
Hey, Alexa, why don't you say hello to everyone?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, do you know how to help me better than Google?
I don't know that one.
I'm working with morons. 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. No, it's back. Let's smell this. Oh, I'm recording. Hi, recording. But Canada is the blah, blah. And I'm gonna stir it constant. I forgot to record that. And, oh, you didn't see that. Okay, look at this. Am I supposed to stir?
I don't know, but I found these.
I'm not talking to you! Google, show the timer! Usually I have people here.
Results on search.
I'm talking, Google! Hey, Google, show me the timer. That's all I want. Hey, Google, show me the timer and stop listening to me. Hey, Google, show me the timer. I hate that you will constantly not show me the timer. Hey, Google, show me the timer! No!